Thank the baby boomers getting ready to retire. That's what real estate market analyst Tom Macer says about the nearly 49% of Grand Strand home and condo buyers today who are using cash, not financing.
They're mostly people from outside the area that love to vacation here, so they're buying a second home, putting it in the rental program.
Macer says cash buyers were just 13 to 15% of the market during the housing boom of 2006. Without those new cash buyers, Macer says the Grand Strand real estate market would have been devastated.
Thank God we have that, because it's saved our industry tremendously here at the beach.
Real estate agent Michael King says better marketing of the Grand Strand has helped attract more buyers, along with this area's affordability.
Based on other areas of the country, South Florida, all these other places, Myrtle Beach is still a very, very economical place to purchase.
King says having so many cash buyers in the market ends up helping not just the realtors, but the whole Grand Strand economy.
They come into the market and they're kind of cash heavy, so they eat more out at the restaurants, instead of bringing food back to their condo. They do a little more shopping because, they have a little more cash than the average person.
Macer says home sales are increasing on the Grand Strand and prices are finally starting to rebound, but there are still a lot of foreclosed properties on the market, which makes it a great time to be a home buyer. And having so many people with cash to buy homes is also great for the industry, at least for now.
As long as they don't run out.
In Myrtle Beach, Joel Allen, WPDE News Channel 15.